Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri bad MLA Barim kaseng Kongres ulimisan di Sangma. Ulami no nakaseng Kongres hakalas ni ublay. Bad hakas ni baar ula penyasok siya ka NPP. Ulimisan udayu MLA balami khmat la Arsien yakarak Sam Grey constituency, Hawes Garo Hills. Ula job nengkong hausnem arhajar pra kum ukertong shimen. Bad hausnem arhajar kendai, ula syak penrong siya ka kenhun menteri, balayalam du Dr. Didi Lapang. Bad hausnem arhajar khatlai ula job biang, tangba kum ukertong kaseng Kongres. Ulimisan ula syak penliem ha ka election hausnem arhajar khatpra, ha ukertong ke NPP u Benedict Armarang. Ha kini ki khendat sngi kaladon ka jingken rum kenram, ha ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ha ka ba u Benedict u balalong ru MDC karak Sam Grey constituency, ula syak penhiar nakashuki Chief Executive Member. Hadian ba ula syak penhiar nakashuki CEM, ki MDC ke AITC, BJP bat uway na ke NPP. Kila kersyan ya u Benedict. Henry u kertong ke NPP u Rakesh E Sangma ula job ya ke election CEM. Namar kata kila don ki dakishen ba u Benedict unsalet penyasok no bat ke AITC. Kabalong kum ka jing plelat ya ulimisan banwan siya ke NPP. Henya kasngi Menteri Rangbak ka jela ula pediang ya ulimisan siya kaseng NPP harengkat bat ki weide kinong yalam.
We were earlier in the Congress party, but now since there's no more leaders in the Congress party, so I also have to leave Congress party and now join the NPP party.
You are right hand man of Mugusanga. Why you did not join AITC?
He also led the Congress party, so I also have to leave.
No, why did you choose NPP rather than other parties?
It is up to our individual choice. Because in the future also I foresee that this NPP government will come.
Take this opportunity to welcome our former MLA of Raksamgri constituency, Mr. Lemison D. Sangma, into the NPP family. He had resigned from the Congress party yesterday, and along with his numerous supporters from his area, he has joined the NPP today, and we are all very happy, and we welcome him into the NPP family. And I'm sure that with his entry into the National People's Party, the party will grow from strength to strength, not only in Raksamgri constituency, but also in the whole of Garo Hills region and the Meghalaya state as a whole. Second is that today in the afternoon at about 1:30, the 5 leaders and MLAs of the Congress Legislature Party, out of the 5 of them, 4 were present. One had another program, but a letter of support where the signature of all the 5 MLAs was submitted to me, where the MLAs of the Indian National Congress have decided to join the MDA government from the 8th of February 2022, and they wish to support the MDA to strengthen the government's arms and the decision making so as to ensure that their joint efforts will take the state forward in the general interest of its citizens. I welcome the CLP MLAs of the Congress Legislative Party into the MDA, and I thank them for the support that they are offering to the government, and we are happy to accept their support. I have communicated that to them. At the same time, I have also taken the opportunity to brief them on a large number of issues that are related to the state, along with a detailed briefing on the border issue that was there, and brief inputs on the reports that were submitted to the Government of India. I had already intended to meet all the different stakeholders in this regard, as many as possible. I may not be able to meet all, and give them a brief report on the report that was submitted on the border issue. So in the coming days, either myself or the honorable chairmen of the different committees will be meeting different stakeholders, and will be also briefing them also regarding the brief kind of outlines of what was discussed in the, or what were the conclusions that took place in the border resolution that we are trying to work towards. Apart from this, there are other leaders also who have expressed to join the National People's Party, and in the next few days we will be having a few more leaders from different regions of the state who will be also joining the party, but we'll speak about that as and when it happens.
This political development, will you convene the meeting of the MDA?
Yes, we always convene the meeting of the MDA before the session is held. So the session also will be coming very soon. We have proposed to the governor, and as and when the governor does approve, we will share the dates with you. Of course, this is also an important development. So we will be calling an MDA meeting shortly, and we'll definitely be discussing with the MDA.